So our developing story in La Habra, 2 electric cars were destroyed after catching fire.
In recent years, electric vehicle battery incidents have sparked global concern.
Vehicle burst into flames.
From manufacturing facilities to vehicles on the road, these events have raised critical questions about the future of electric transportation.
You're watching Fourth Paradox.
The journey of an EV battery begins with raw material extraction. In facilities across Australia and South America, crucial elements like lithium, cobalt, and nickel are mined and refined. These materials form the foundation of modern electric vehicle power. Inside state-of-the-art facilities, precision engineering creates the heart of electric vehicles. Specialized slurry mixing occurs in vacuum-sealed environments where even microscopic imperfections could compromise safety. The tolerance for electrode film thickness is mere micrometers, applies 2 millimeters to be exact. In ISO Class 5 and 6 cleanrooms, automated systems monitor every step. X-ray imaging and 360-degree optical checks ensure perfect cell alignment. These rigorous standards reflect the industry's commitment to safety. A significant shift is reshaping the industry. Lithium-ion phosphate (LFP) batteries are challenging traditional nickel-manganese-cobalt (NMC) dominance. The numbers tell the story. LFP batteries deliver nearly 5 times more charge cycles while offering superior thermal stability. Current hydrometallurgical recycling achieves remarkable efficiency, 98% lithium recovery and 100% aluminum recovery. This breakthrough addresses both environmental concerns and supply chain sustainability. Recent incidents with electric vehicles, including documented cases with major manufacturers, have highlighted critical safety concerns. Thermal runaway remains a primary challenge. When one cell overheats, it can trigger a cascade effect. Battery management systems, BMS, constantly monitor voltage, current, and temperature to prevent such events. Industry responses include advanced cooling system development, integration of fire retardant materials, enhanced cybersecurity protocols for battery management, stricter manufacturing quality controls. In 2025's economic landscape, manufacturers face significant challenges. Global GDP growth projections of 2.5 to 3.3% and inflation at 4.4% influence development decisions. Despite these pressures, investment in safety innovation continues. As electric vehicles become increasingly common, the industry's focus on safety and reliability intensifies. The balance between innovation and security will determine the future of sustainable transportation. Share your thoughts on EV battery safety in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into emerging transportation technologies.